Vsakič, ko se nekdo naroči na ta kanal, moram prekolesariti 1 meter višinske razlike, dokler ne dosežemo višine Everesta, ki ima 8849 metrov. Ko dosežemo to številko, bom organiziral dobrodelni Zwift V-Everest stream na Twitchu, v katerem bom vse to naredil na legendarnem vzponu Alpe Zwift. Ampak tukaj je fora. Vsakič, ko pridem na vrh, moram svoji teži dodati 5 kg. Točno tako, 5 kg. Ne sliši se dosti, ampak ker za V-Everest rabiš skoraj 9000 metrov in vsakič se pospneš samo za malo čez 1000 metrov, se moraš pospeti skoraj 9-krat. Tako imaš v zadnjem vzponu 40 kg dodatne teže, kar to pri meni predstavlja kar 60% moje teže. Prvič, ko sem naredil V-Everest pri moji normalni teži, sem potreboval skoraj 10 ur, zato bo tokrat še tako bolj zahtevno. Evo nas nazaj v gasilskem domu, da vidimo zdaj, koliko so tablice polne. 33%, še drug je 33%. In bomo pol prišli nazaj iskat čez 3 ure, ko bojo polne. Evo, smo kupili vse, gremo. Nekako je zmrzno, ne vem kako. Eno gajbico, ta boš. Moje makaron zadosti. Prazno, 5, 6, 7, 8. Druga runda. Jajca, skuta, drobtine, rozine in kečap. Kako je lahko to zmrzano? Zanimivo. Ampak ja, fajn zgleda. Pol kile cornflakesa. Smo nazaj, da vidimo zdaj, koliko so tablice polne. 100%. Pa na bicikl za 1 urco. Bo zanimivo.
Blatnik, ima še kaj ta dobrega šnopsa?
Normalen.
Ma jaz gam vsak dan žganico.
To meni jaz.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ajde! Dvojka, trojka, štirka, petka, šestka, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Ajde nekaj tle hupca, čim bolj skupaj se drža. 4, 5, ajde čim skupaj se nagnest, da dobimo nazaj hitrost pojk, čez hupca tle. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Ajde, smo znotraj 5 km, pol minutne menjave zdaj. Spredaj dol lahko malo dodaja. Menjava 1, 2, pazi lukne zdaj, 3, 4, menjava, ajde. Pazi lukne, 5, 6, menjava, ajde. Ajde, zboramo tale hupsek, da greš na menjavo zadaj. 7, 8, ajde, stisneš še 6, stisneš zdaj. Menjava, imam 1, čim bolj skup, 2, ajde 1 km, gremo. Menjava 3, ajde all in. Menjava 4, ajde. Ajde, pospešuj. Menjava 5. Grda!
Ok.
Bravo! Bilo super. Jaz sem že tam delal, pa je glih v kanti. Pa nisem mogel preko. To je to.
Garni v chat napiši, če chceš.
Zdaj sem mu poslal na Messenger, zdaj čekaj.
Aha. Etak, si videla z Matjažem probita biti spredaj. Mi pa pač kakor bomo.
Ajde, srečno!
Ajde, enako.
Zdaj počasno bojne linije, spredaj.
Sam gasa.
Very much.
What's the delay?
Zdravo, the delay is 3 minutes. I'm gonna call you by numbers. I'll let you know 20 seconds before your shift starts. I'll also try to let you know on which kilometers some short pause flat start, so you have a bit picture on what's in front of you.
I was expecting to learn some Slovenian.
Speak in Slovenian if you want. All you have to remember is that when I say tri smena, that means it's your turn.
Gotcha.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Okay, the time started. Try not to go in front. You're using your energy. When you come out of the tunnel, there's gonna be a short climb. Now the climb will start. Now at the 5.1 kilometer, a false flat starts. Okay, get ready, number 3. Lucas, in 300 meters, you have a descent. It's a gravel. 5 seconds, Matjaž, then it's your turn. You have 1 minute. In 300 meters, you'll have kicker. It's 5%. Okay, you start. Now the right turn, and then it's 5% up. There you go. 1 down, 2 to go. Riding great, no gaps. Number 5, in 5 seconds, your shift starts 1 minute. Okay, at 17.6, the falls flat starts. It's long 1.5 kilometer, 1%, just so you know. We're at 1 minute.
And I got lady that's leading us in background.
Okay, doing great.
You can hear her.
Get ready, Borat, in 20 seconds. And now, guys, you have a right turn, and then it's this kicker, 5%. You're doing a good job. I know it's hard, but it's supposed to be. Watch out for the gap. Okay, number 4, Matjaž, get ready in 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, Oshbe, get ready. Okay, doing great, guys. Coming to the finish of the second lap. Ease up a bit, try to pedal as normal. Don't push it too hard. You still have 17 minutes approximately till the end.
Come on, guys! I'm watching you.
Captain is here.
Today we need you. You can't drop, man.
Yeah, he doesn't dare. I'm the DS, you know. He knows the punishment if he drops. He gets nothing. Okay, good job, guys. Good job. You're all together. That's great. Just steady, normal pace. Matjaž, number 4, get ready in 20 seconds. 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Matjaž is now in front. 1 minute.
I just said he could do 2 minutes.
Okay, okay. Now you have a short climb. Push it all together. Watch out, guys. You have a bit of a gap. Number 3, get ready in 30 seconds. If I understood you right, you're gonna do 2 minutes, right?
Oh, with 1 minute.
1 minute, okay. That's good. 380 watts. Yeah, 430. Gosh, too strong. It started before, but it's gonna be as long as I said, so. Okay, Özbey, 5 seconds. You go in front.
I need to rest.
Yeah. Today, it's your turn. 30 seconds. And you have a descent. Guys, you only have 2 more kickers, you know, before you go to the volcano. That's gonna be the hard part. Don't push it too hard, Lucas. Watch out for the gap.
Bravo, fanti, ajde.
Okay, Özbey, go in front. You're almost at the finish, guys. 400 meters.
Well, this is gonna hurt like a mother.
Ajde.
Okay, okay. All right, let's go, let's go. Push it. Come on, come on. You got this. 200 more meters. All you have. Push it, push it, push it. Come on, come on, come on. 100 more meters.
Go, go, go.
Good job, good job. Go, 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 go. Great job, guys. Great job.
Bravo. Bravo, fanti. Norti.
This was the hardest one yet. Oh,
You did a wonderful job. It was hard, and the time is wonderful. And you all push it, and you all contributed. Every one of you contributed to this result. So great job.
And also, Sarah, you were amazing.
Thank you.
thank you, Sarah.
It's good when you're sitting in the couch.
Vse donacije med dobrodelnim streamom bodo šle v dobrodelne namene polivni organizaciji. Zato se ne pozabite naročiti na ta kanal in slediti na Twitchu, kjer bo stream. To deli in povej vsem svojim prijateljem, družini, sorodnikom, sodelavcem, ker to je samo začetek.